Mango is a delicious fruit with numerous health benefits. It is rich in essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Here are some of the key health benefits of mango. 1. Boosts immune system. Mango is packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, which help strengthen the immune system and protect the body from diseases. 2. Improves skin and eye health. The high content of vitamin A in mango supports healthy vision and keeps the skin radiant and healthy. And 3. Aids digestion. Mango contains fiber and natural enzymes that improve digestion, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut. 4. Supports heart health. The potassium in mango helps regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. Additionally, its iron content helps prevent anemia by supporting healthy red blood cell production. 5. Reduces cancer risk. Mango is rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, quercetin, and phenolic compounds, which protect the body's cells and reduce the risk of cancer. 6. Provides quick energy. Mango is a natural source of glucose and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for a quick energy boost. 7. Combats chronic diseases. It contains polyphenol, which help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Mango is not only tasty but also highly nutritious. However, it should be consumed in moderation, especially by individuals with diabetes, due to its natural sugar content.